Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today we are going to see the blend command in Creo parametric, and simultaneously we will also make the logo for Mercedes-Benz, so you can understand very well. We are going to make this logo of Mercedes-Benz. So let's get started. Click on file, new file, and take this, click OK, click 2 millimeters, OK, and do the follow the procedure which I am doing. So first of all, let's click on sketch, select the front plane, sketch it. After that, normal view, and here you can see here is the one command, palette. So click on it. Here you can see different types of palettes are there, like in document. After that, polygons, stars. Here different types of shapes. For making the logo of Mercedes, we wanted this from stars, this first one. Here are different types of tip star, 3, 4, 5, 6 tip stars. So we wanted this first one. So pull this symbol or star to drawing area, match this center to this center. After that, click on green mark and later to OK, and next move to here new command, click on shape, and here the first one command, blend command, click on blend. After that, we have to specify the sections, click on sections. Now this is the first one section, and we wanted to second section also, so click on insert, you get section 2 here, and after that just sketch it. Okay, so we have to extrude, or we have to pull that first section to the next section. So we have to specify the next section point. So click on this point, create a construction point, and just put it over here center. Click on it. After that, just move away from the drawing and click cursor, and later click on OK. Here this is generated, but the thickness is you can see here thickness is 35.58. just reduce it. I am going to type 2 and enter it. Okay, you can also modify 5, enter. Okay, this is the first section, this is the second section, and this is the 5 height from first section to second section. You can see here clearly. After that, click on this green mark, and next go here. Here are the data and display filter. Just click on it, select all, so that you can see this axis, point, display, coordinate system, and plane, like this. These are the planes. So click on this front plane, sketch it, click on normal view, take one circle from the center and draw it here up to this point. After that, click on OK. Now next, use this sweep command. Okay, after clicking this sweep command, go here, create our edit sweep section, click on normal view. After that, take circle here on this cross, draw our circle. After that, modify the diameter of the circle, make it 4. You can change it later also. just click on OK. It is generated, but I wanted to reduce the diameter of that section, so click again on this section, normal view, and double click on this dimension. It will edited automatically. After that, put 2 diameter over there and click on OK. Now it is generated symbol or logo. Just click on green mark and again go to this data misplay filter, select all. You can change the color and pattern of this. Just go to view and go appearance and put it down. After that, click on last appearance. After that, click on this and next move to selection of these different parts. Just press the control key on your keyboard and select one by one surface. After that, click or click our cursor. Here it is generated. You can see this color difference. And for full view of the desktop, click over here, full screen. Thank you very much friend for watching my video. If you wanted to make on the various topics, like if you wanted to make the videos on different types of projects of colleges of degrees, so comment in comment section, so I will try to make that structures or projects in Creo. Thank you very much.